Hello everyone, today we are at Hinjewadi phase 3 and we are about to see a 2 BHK sample flat. The carpet area is 700 square feet. So at the main entrance you will get video door phone system like this. Like this we enter the flat. This is your main entrance door and this is your spacious living cum dining. So at this position you can place your dining set. Here you will get a window as well, and here you can place your living room set. This side will be the provision for television, and beside your living room you will get a balcony which will be covered from top. So it is a full length balcony, and since it is covered from top, the privacy is fully maintained. Anti-skittered tiles are there, and bang opposite to this, as I said, you have a window. So you can see you will get a very good cross ventilation. And now this side is your kitchen. So kitchen will have L-shaped platform, black granite platform. The kitchen is 8 by 8. This side you will get a sink which will have 24 by 7 water connection. Since it is a township, as per Township Act, you will get water connection 24 by 7. So it will be a treated water supply. And this side you have dry balcony. It will have a window and it will be openable from two sides. One is from your kitchen, and other side is the passage which will take you towards again your living, dining and the bedrooms. After this, beside your dry balcony you have your common washroom. So the fittings are same, the CP sanitary fittings, everything will be done up by the builder. You can see the tile selection, color combination, everything will be same like this. And opposite to your kitchen you have your first bedroom, children bedroom, a very spacious one. You can see this is a king size bed, but still you can see ample space has been left out, so you can create study table and a separate workstation beside this. This is the window, full length window, and you have a 2 feet depth for your wardrobe. You can see, so that you get a proper square shape inside your flat. So no wastage of space, no bulge created after your finishing of the tiles. Now we'll see the master bedroom. This is a very spacious master bedroom. The dimensions are same, almost same. You have a king size bed, again space left out both the sides. This side is a full length window, again wardrobe space has been provided. This side is the provision for your TV. So slightly bigger than your children bedroom, but the orientation is same. And this is your attached washroom. again same fittings. So the total carpet area is 700 square feet, and this is an integrated township of 150 acres, and the upcoming metro station is very nearby to this project. You can say a walkable distance, so it has a huge demand. Okay, so please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. Please like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more updates regarding this project. So we are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thank you so much for watching this video.